Anta and I today as we welcome you to explore this unique home nestled in the heart of South Surrey. I guarantee that this exceptional residence will stand out as one of the most coveted homes in the area. I can't wait to show you the inside, but one of my favorite features is actually the location. This property is only 2 kilometers away from White Rock Beach, where you can walk the promenade and hop right onto the pier. This home's location offers a vast array of restaurants, shops, museums, and culture, all within a moment's reach. Situated on an over 7,200 square foot lot in a quiet cul-de-sac, you enter this home through a beautiful courtyard. Start your mornings enjoying your coffee or tea in this serene garden. Imagine coming home after a long day at work and sitting down in your cozy living room next to your wood-burning fireplace. A baker's dream kitchen with large island, stainless steel appliances, and adjoining dining area that leads to the covered deck. The main floor plan is thoughtfully designed and offers a 1-bedroom perfect for someone in your family that needs their own private space. A second room with a closet that could be a small bedroom or an office, plus an additional office and a 3-piece bathroom. Walking upstairs, the master bedroom has a walk-in closet with so much space and its own private patio. The second upstairs bedroom boasts its own ensuite, adding a touch of luxury and convenience to the living space. The backyard is your own oasis with a covered deck, patio, spacious yard, and shed for all of your toys. Anta and I hope that you enjoyed today's tour. If you would like a private showing of this home, please let us know. Have a great day.